My first job this morning. So I'm just not in the right headspace now to carry on trading. Hello, welcome back. It is Monday, the markets have just opened about 5 minutes ago. We've gone up vertically, straight off the open. So we've got some news in about 10 minutes and we've got some red folder news in about 25 minutes. So yeah, hopefully I can get into a trade earlier. If we're getting near that red folder news, I'll be trying to hold off. But it's looking unlikely I'm gonna get an entry anyway, as we have moved up 106 points in 5 minutes. So we're back to more vlog style videos this week. My main objective this week is to get myself sorted and ready for live streaming. I'm hoping to start next week. Yeah, I've got to get like a thumbnail sorted out, like a stream starting in a minute, screen sorted out. I want to get like a banner that runs along the bottom that sort of gives you my P&L for the month, P&L for the year, total payouts, that sort of stuff. Maybe we'll chuck in a fact of the day or something. But yeah, so that's my plan this week anyway. Alright, we are pulling back. I want to see a stab through the EMA before I look to enter. What sort of stop loss are we going to be looking at? 27. So I'll be looking at taking 2 contracts. But again, it's going to be on that fucking news candle. Alright, 20 points. With 3 contracts. But I don't want to enter on the fucking news, man. Alright, I've gone for it, I'm in. Well, that's my initial take profit set up. So I've got 3 contracts in total, 2 at the 1-to-1, 1R, and then we'll see where my run is going if we hit this. Alright, let's first take profit hit. Stop loss to break even, so I've just got 1 on the table left. No risk. I've got my runner at this level at the minute. So yeah, it's $80 bagged anyway. So I'm going to leave my runner where it is. That'll be 165 points since he opened, so that's quite a move. I'm not going to be pushing any more than that. I'll be lucky to get that, to be honest. Well, we've got news in 1 minute, so I want to see a nice strong push away from my entry. Oh, I've just closed my trade out there. I'm not loving how it's sticking around. It's just tapped that level. I'm not having it come back on me. So 222 up on each account. So 666 up for the day. Happy fucking days. I love a green Monday. Just gets the week off to a good start, which is what I like. Yeah, it's a fantastic start to December. That's put me now on a 6 trade win streak. Each funded account is at 2,800. And I think I only need 2 more days of 200 plus to get another payout. Buzzing. Alright, that's me done now for today. You can see it's hit my level and it's now returning, so that's why we have these levels. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. You alright? Yeah.
These only come out at Christmas time and then bang it. Well, my first job this morning, I want to get like a banner sorted out for the bottom of my stream that sort of rotates across with like things like my daily P&L and monthly P&L, sorry, and total payouts and stuff like that. So that's my job for this morning. I don't even know if you can do it. I'm assuming you can, because I'm sure I've seen it other places, but see, I'm going to try and crack on with that. Job done. So postman has just been. Let's open it up and see what it is. I wanted to change the colour of my lamp that's behind my desk or behind my seat. And yeah, I should be able to screw this in and then change the colour from the app on my phone, which should be cool. Well, it's pretty heavy. So yeah, this is the lamp now. Pretty boring and basic. I'm going to get this new bulb in and yeah, have a play around with it. Right, we're in. I haven't read the instructions, that might have been helpful, but let's turn it on. Oh, right, so that's how it is now. The difficult thing is I'm recording this on my phone, but I need to use my phone to change the colour, so BRB. Markets have just opened. We've got news in 30 minutes. I'm liking the look of a short off of this candle, but I don't love to go in this early. What's the stop loss going to be? 27 points. Might give it a punt. 2 contracts. No, I've missed my entry. There you go, I'm in. Very aggressive for me. I don't love to enter 1 minute after the open, but the setup's there, so yeah, regret my decision already. There you go, stopped out. Oh, I don't know why I do it to myself. It's one of those things, entering as the market opens. The times that I don't do it, it works out. And the times that I do it, it doesn't work out. As you can see behind me, I got my light sorted out. Got it green for a minute. I don't know if I'll keep it like that, but I like it for a minute. Normally I'd only give myself one losing trade in a day, but as it was pretty stupid cock up, just a rookie mistake of trying to enter on the first minute of the open, I'm gonna see if anything else appears. I like the idea of a long today. I want to see that 15-minute candle close above the 21 EMA where I'm looking to enter. So I tried to get in there, but as I've placed my order, it's popped up past my entry, and then I've missed my entry, which is frustrating. And yeah, that would have been take profit hit. I'm pissed off because I've had a loss this morning, a loss today, and that was my chance to enter, and I've missed it. I'm just gonna call it a day there, I think, because I'm frustrated that I've just missed my entry there. So I'm just not in the right headspace now to carry on trading. But yeah, that's me done now for the day. I shall see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Wednesday. I'm just at work. Trying to apologise for ending the trading a bit abruptly yesterday. Safe to say I was a bit pissed off. I was more annoyed at the missed opportunity of missing that winning trade than the loss. The loss didn't really bother me too much. But I struggled to deal with missed opportunities when I should have got in, but I didn't get in for whatever reason. And then it obviously turns out to be a winner. But anyway, we move on. Today's a new day. I feel a lot better today, so just me throwing my toys out the pram. But I want to crack on here and then head on home. There's no better way to start the day than a fat bowl of cereal with a load of sugar on. So my plan for the day is I need to continue getting prepped for live streams. So I've got to get some music sorted out, really, to have some sort of background music. And I also want to talk a little bit about investing as well, that sort of long-term investing. I've got a SIP, which is the UK's pension, that I like to sort of try and swing trade. I had about 10 grand in there at the start, and I can't access it until I'm, I think, 55 or something at the earliest. So it's something I just like to have a bit of fun with and try and sort of do long-term swing trading with it. And yeah, I want to close out a position and reopen another one. So yeah, we'll talk about that. But my Weetabix are getting soggy, so I'm going to crack on with that. Right, my thumbnail is sorted for live streams. I suck at thumbnails, as you can clearly see. But yeah, look out for this next week. Aiming for Tuesday, but like again, I said I'll let you know in the community tab. But yeah, look out for my ugly mug. So yeah, I just wanted to briefly talk about long-term investments, or more swing trading probably for this instance. Yeah, as I was saying, I've got an old like workplace pension. So I've decided earlier this year just to sort of use it as like a long-term trading fund pot basically. I'm not that fussed if I lose it all, and I just wanted to sort of see how well I can do. And I've just closed a position that I opened 6 months ago on the Nasdaq, and I opened it on the 3rd of June. I think I got quite a good price in as well. And yeah, I've closed it this morning, and it's 15.8% gain there. On my actual Fidelity account, it's 16.5. So obviously got a cracking price that day. A little bit of drawdown. Ideally, I probably should have sold up here sort of a month later. But the reason I'm selling now, I'm probably selling a little bit early. But I just expect next year to be a bit crazy for the markets. Obviously, you've got Trump coming in January, and I mean, if he's going to be good or not long term is yet to see. I'm not really fussed, but I think the first initial year is going to be a bit bumpy for the markets. I think inflation's going to stay relatively high, and yeah, I think companies as a whole are going to have a bit of uncertainty with the tariffs, and yeah, I think the market is just going to be a bit all over the place next year. I'm long Bitcoin, and I mean, we can talk about that another time, but gold is essentially another hedge against inflation. So yeah, that's what I'm betting on next year. I think I am front running it, so I could probably see some downside initially, but I think in the long term over the year, I think gold is a good bet. Obviously, this isn't financial advice, this is just what I'm doing personally. I just thought it'd be fun to share. But yeah, gold is my bet for next year. Markets have literally just opened. We've had about 150 point move up this morning in the Asia and London sessions. Alright, we've got a touch of that EMA. $12 points. I don't know if I'm going to get my entry now. 5 would do. Whoa, just about got filled there. Right, I'm in. Limit sell 3. Alright, first take profit hit. Trouble is, where is my running going to go at all-time highs? I don't need to move to break even. All risk is off the table. $75 up on each count, and 2 contracts for the runner. Difficult all-time highs because I like to put my runners at highs or lows. I've obviously got no high to go off of. Just in the middle of sorting dinner out, so I'm up and down. Oh, we're still in. That's a surprise. Oh, we're gonna have my dinner then. I will leave it there. I'll leave my bread and stop there as well. I was considering closing it there at the over the 125 mark just to get my 200 for payout day, but I think I've missed the mark there. But yeah, we're still in. Not for long though. Well, that's me out. So 101 up on each count. Overall free is $303. Bit frustrating when that could have been sort of more 600. But I had to have dinner soon. Well, that's me done for the day then. I shall see you tomorrow. Hello, it is Thursday. We have 5 seconds until the market's open. As it stands, currently looking for longs, but we shall see what happens. This white line is my only target for the day. Well, for longs anyway, because after that's all-time highs. There you go, that's our target hit. Right, I'm in. So I got my first take profit at 1R. See if we can hit that. It's not looking great, is it? No, it stopped out. $152 loss on each account. It's $458 loss overall free. There's a rough on that. Yeah, that's been done then for trading today. Sorry, there's not been much else going on today. I've spent most of the morning just editing this video. Want to make sure it's ready for the weekends. But yeah, one more trading day. We've got tomorrow left. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Hello, markets have just opened. It's the last day of the week. We had non-farm payrolls about an hour ago. So yeah, not expecting much today. As it stands, currently looking for longs, but we shall see how it goes. So I've just seen this morning I've actually hit 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, thank you very much to everyone who's subscribed. Really appreciate you all. It's been a long road, but I feel like the last sort of 500 has gone quite quick. Next target, 5,000. I was thinking to myself last night, as Thursday and Fridays are my worst days, I think I've got about a 50% win rate on Thursdays and Fridays. I'm going to start scaling down my risk. My normal risk is sort of 125, maybe 150. I think on Thursdays and Fridays I'm going to scale that back down to 100. Just because I know that they're my worst performing days, so I may as well risk the least. The only price target I've got on the long side is this line here, 568, which was yesterday's high. But then there's nothing else past that, so there we go, there's my price target hit. Up 130 points since the open. Not sure how likely I am to get an entry now. If I do enter, it's not likely to go too far. I'll put my order in. Price my order filled. Saying I wanted to scale down my risk today, but still managed to put 130 on. Happy days. That's 3 taken off. My last 2 is at break even. So I'm just gonna put my runner there. That'll put me 136 up, which will then add up to just over 200 in total. It's Friday. We've moved a lot already. I'm not going to be asking for too much, but the 200 would be lovely to get myself another day towards a payout. Happy days. $210 win. It's another day towards a payout. I think I only need one more now. And yeah, it might go a lot higher, but it's moved lots already today. It's Friday. I'm happy with that. It's been a difficult week this week, so it's nice to end it on a win. So yeah, $630 up in total then overall 3 accounts. Yeah, I actually took a trade every day this week, which is unlike me. 3 winners, 2 losers, and I'm $807 up for the week. Yeah, a bit of a rough week, but I'm glad we've ended in the positive. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a nice weekend, and I'll see you next week.